In the ancient Maya world, there was a bird that was never mentioned lightly. A dark messenger, silent, calm, and feared. The elders say, when the Xooch sings, someone is about to die. The Xooch, known in Yucatan as the bird of death, is described as a dark-feathered bird with a heavy flight and a deep call heard at dawn. It is not an owl. It is not a crow. It is a bird directly connected to the cycle of life and death in Maya belief. When the Xooch lands near a home or sings above a roof, it is taken as a sign of someone's final breath. This belief comes from a central idea in Maya cosmology. Every living being has a spiritual energy. The Maya believe some animals could sense. When that energy begins to separate from the body. The Xooch was one of them. Its song was not random. It was a warning that the doorway to Xibalbá, the underworld, was opening. Across Yucatan, Campeche, and Quintana Roo, the stories remain. It sang outside the window, and my grandmother died that night. It perched on the ceiba tree. At sunrise, the sick man passed. It doesn't come with evil. It only announces what must happen. For many Maya families, the Xooch is not a normal animal, but a messenger between worlds. The Xooch is not feared. It is respected. It is believed to be the escort of the soul, the guide that accompanies a person from their final breath to the path toward Xibalbá. When it appears, families prepare copal incense, light candles, and speak comforting words to the one who is leaving. Scientists today explain its behavior as instinct, smell, or reaction to illness. But for the Maya people, the Xooch's tradition, memory, spiritual truth, a reminder that death is not an end, but a transition. So if you ever hear its deep cry at night, or see a dark bird from the ceiba tree, do not fear. The Xooch brings no harm, only message, only guidance. It is the bird that walks with the soul when the journey must continue. The Mayab Chronicles, where ancient legends come to life. If you liked the video, give us a like and subscribe.